Hey guys, Tim with Outdoors for Adventure. If y'all haven't subscribed to the channel, I want to take this minute to invite y'all to subscribe to our channel, Outdoors for Adventure, at YouTube and Instagram. We appreciate y'all checking us out and following along. Our channel started, I guess it's been a couple of years now ago, and we've went from tent camping to camping in our truck with the rooftop tent and doing a little bit of overlanding and dispersed type camping. And before that, we was into the 30-foot travel trailer camping at state parks, and that was our main type of camping. And because of the cost and really the trouble pulling that big camper all over the place, we downsized. But there's a little bit about that story in our channel, and if you go back and watch our videos, you'll see the progression that we've taken and things we've added along the way. And we've tried going on a cheap budget, and as we go, you know, we're adding a little more expensive stuff to it, and we plan on continuing that as we go. So appreciate it if y'all subscribe to the channel and followed along as we go, because we got a long ways to go. But I just want to throw this in at the beginning of this video that's coming about my Nissan truck and broke dash that I had to reinstall. And this is something I wasn't expecting to happen, but it did. So I wanted to let all of y'all know about it, especially the Titan owners. In case you pull your dash, you'll know what's going on. So without further ado, let's get on to that. All right, people. Tim with Outdoors for Adventure. This is going to be a really quick video. If y'all watch my last two videos, you'll see that I replaced the center console panel that broke in my Nissan Titan. And I went to get gas just a little while ago, and you're not going to see it now, but there is a airbag light over in this dash that was lit up the whole way to get gas and the whole way back. And after doing a little bit of research, and what I found out is anytime you unplug this passenger airbag light that's in this center dash, it throws a code. Now I tried to put the key in and turn it on and off 5 times for 5 seconds each, you know, watching the light blink, and it didn't work for me. Maybe I wasn't holding my mouth right. But luckily for me, I've got one of these code readers. So I plugged it in, and it did find the airbag code. It was the only code that it found. So I just reset it, and it did turn my flash and airbag light off. So everything is up like it should be again. So there's no more light on the dash when I'm going down the road. So if you do take this apart and you unplug all your stuff, more likely you're going to have a code from unplugging this light right there. So I thought I would just kind of throw this in on my channel to go along with those two videos. So if you do pull this out and you have a flashing airbag warning light on your dash, you'll know why. And you know, maybe the key trick will work for you, but this definitely worked for me, and this is worth every penny I paid for it. If it finds a code, it'll even tell you what could be the culprit and how much that part may cost to replace. Maybe not on everything, but on quite a bit. So I highly recommend you have one of these in your toolkit. It comes with just about every plug-in there is to hook up to different makes and models. So for the Nissan Titan, I had to use this adapter. Comes with a nice instruction book, and you can plug it into your computer and get updates. But I just want to tell y'all about this airbag sensor light and that more than likely, if you take it apart, you're gonna have to reset your codes to get rid of your flashing light on the dash. Beautiful day today. I'm gonna get outside and enjoy a little bit of it. Y'all have a great day.